What emergency kit should every pop-up drink stand have? Every pop-up drink stand should have a small first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, extra cash and a backup card reader, spare ice, extra cups and lids, a basic toolkit, and a folder with important contact numbers and permits. Think of your drink stand like a tiny moving shop. And just like a shop, it needs to be ready for little surprises that happen during the day. A first aid kit should have bandages, gloves, and something to clean a small cut, because working with knives, blenders, and hot liquids means little accidents can happen. A fire extinguisher is important because many stands use propane or electric heating elements, and most people do not realize that a tiny grease or electrical spark can turn into a big problem fast if there is nothing nearby to stop it. Extra cash matters because card readers sometimes lose signal, and having some small bills and coins ready keeps the line moving instead of turning away customers. A backup battery pack for your card reader or phone is something almost nobody thinks about until their equipment dies in the middle of a rush. Spare ice and extra cups can save your whole day if you sell out faster than expected, especially on a hot afternoon. Keeping a folder with your permit copies, insurance information, and a list of emergency numbers means you are never scrambling if a city inspector or a customer asks for proof of anything. One common mistake is forgetting to check the fire extinguisher expiration date, so make it a habit to glance at it every single month. Another mistake is running out of backup power for your payment system, so always keep a fully charged power bank in your kit just in case. People also forget to restock their first aid kit after using it once, so tape a small checklist inside the lid to remind yourself to refill anything that gets used. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.